Welcome and congratulations. If you're a marketer or a local consultant, I have something for you today. But first, let's talk about the lead problem. If this one problem can be solved, all of your other challenges seem to fade away in the background. But how do we get a consistent flow of leads? How do we do this? Well, marketers like you and I have a couple of choices. We can go the traditional route and use traditional methods like door knocking and cold calling, mass mailing, even TV, radio, and billboard ads. But the problem with these methods is that the cost is sky high and the numbers are not on your side. You have to go through a lot of numbers to even get one result that may not even pan out into a sale. Then some marketers get smart and they go to online marketing with Facebook or Google, but we all know that both of these platforms have challenges of their own, don't they? It's a known fact that you have to go through a lot of trial and error and blood, sweat, and tears before you can even find that sweet spot of consistent results. So what is a marketer to do? I suggest something called classified advertising on a platform you've heard of, but maybe you've overlooked. Yes, I'm talking about Craigslist. So why would a marketer go to Craigslist? My answer to that is, why wouldn't you use Craigslist? With Craigslist, you don't have to go through endless trial and error. You don't have to test a ton of keywords. There's no endless targeting testing like on Facebook. And there's no bidding for first page placements. Think about this for a second. These platforms, these companies, they are using you and I against each other, grossly in their favor, trying to outbid each other to get eyeballs on our ads. With Craigslist, that is not the case. First, it's totally localized. So unlike these other platforms, with your local service, it's going to be super concentrated. How's that for a change? It's less complicated. You can have a campaign up and running in a matter of minutes, guys. And then, of course, there's less competition. Because of a few changes to the rules Craigslist made over the last couple of years, competition has gone down. All the scammers, all the clickbaiters, they're all gone. And you can offer your service, your offering, without being overcrowded by all the riffraff. Make sense? So do me this favor. Go ahead and study this page. There's much more information on this page, but then go down to the bottom, click the Add to Cart button, and I'll see you on the inside.